Training events. These are a key aspect of our service that allow economy of scales and greater impact to clients and non-clients alike. Anyone, regardless of their location, can participate in our events and recordings listed on the Useful Links eCenter page. You do not have to be a client to participate. It's important to understand the eCenter training calendar. In addition to listing events that we host or organize, it also lists local events that we think our clients would want to know about. Knowing the difference in labeling will help you understand the distinctions and use our calendar more effectively. So there's always somebody sending us a link to an event that we have nothing to do with, but we think it's of value to our client base. So we'll post it out so people can take advantage of it. So take advantage of the menu on our website to find the training calendar tips, such as how to filter and search for your training lists effectively. The menu also has a link to sign up for our monthly event newsletter, which is full of fabulous information and a list of classes that are coming up. Most of our events are live and not recorded, but some are taught by our staff counselors and are made available on demand. Regardless of whether you are signing up for a live training event or a pre-recorded webinar on our Useful Links page, you'll be asked to input your email and set up a login if registering for the first time. If you complete the company information and become a primary contact on our company profile, you are able to invite somebody from your company so that it automatically links their personal login to the company profile you created and reduces how much data entry they may need to do to include themselves in the class. Inviting someone else not from your company means they will only get the normal registration link without any special treatment embedded in the invite. Don't forget events you've already registered to attend. We'll include a link to add it to your calendar, including a 15-minute reminder before the event starts. We recommend adjusting this to an earlier time for in-person events to account for travel. Our calendar tips page will help you navigate the eCenter like a pro once you understand how to change the view and make best use of the advanced search functions. Here's a quick list of some of the ways you can configure our training calendar to find what you're looking for. My favorite way to use it is just search by keywords: proposal, indirect rates, capability statements. It's a great way to search that way. And then it gives you exactly what you're looking for. Please note that while you're logged in, it's easy to mix up the training events with the My Events feature of the eCenter, which lets you view those events you're registered to attend. The My Events section is organized with the most recent events at the top if you put it in list form. This lets you quickly locate handouts for events you have previously attended. Those handouts are found at the bottom of each registration page after you're marked as attended. One important element of eCenter registrations is to understand that once you are registered to attend an event or on-demand recording, there is a new field that becomes visible called Attendee Instructions, with additional information including the webinar access link if it is an upcoming live webinar. Depending on your attendance or login status, attachments may be available at the bottom of the page as shown in the example on-demand recording. We typically send reminder emails 1 week and 1 business day before a class begins, and those email reminders have an auto login link, which will take you right to the class registration page, so you can quickly find the handouts afterwards if you save the reminder. We typically only record webinars taught by George Mason staff, since most live webinars are taught by third-party subject matter experts, and we do not make those available as recordings because they get cranky about stuff like that. They don't want their intellectual property out. It's just, people are funny about that. Attendee instructions listed at the bottom of the registration page will let you know after you register whether it is live only or if we expect to record it. Because we only make a limited number of topics available on demand ourselves, we subscribe to a third-party service that allows us to provide a code to client companies based in our region of Virginia so they can access many more recordings on a large library of topics at no cost to you. We absorb that cost. If you are based outside of our service area, we recommend starting with the eCenter Useful Links page recordings, which are free for all to use. Then asking your local Apex Accelerator if they also subscribe to any on-demand library of courses. The code for our subscription is limited for use by our clients and staff in Virginia. So you must email us if you don't already have a message with the current access code, and that code changes regularly. So what happens is, for example, we use Govology. You can go to Govology, set up a registration for yourself. And if you're one of our clients, when you select a class and go to check out, instead of spending $75 for the class, which is what they usually run, you put in the code and it will go to zero. It's a discount code. So you can take the classes at no cost.